In travel news, for January 20th, 2023, we talk about United and JetBlue's Caribbean expansion, new shore excursions from Scenic Group, and Delta expand service to New Zealand. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We frequently release new content to keep you up to date on all things travel. Both JetBlue Airways and United Airlines will be increasing flights to the Caribbean later this year, offering more options for travelers looking to explore the region's beautiful beaches, culture, and history. JetBlue will be operating more flights to destinations such as Nassau in the Bahamas and Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic, while United Airlines will be flying to destinations such as Montego Bay in Jamaica and Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. This expansion in flights is a positive step for the travel industry as it continues to recover and offers more choices for travelers to plan their next vacation. Delta Airlines has announced that they will be expanding their service to New Zealand and increasing transatlantic flights. The move will provide more options for travelers looking to explore New Zealand, as well as more convenient connections for those traveling to and from Europe. The added flights will also offer travelers the opportunity to take advantage of Delta's partnerships with other airlines, such as Air France and KLM, to further expand their travel options. This expansion is expected to boost tourism and provide a much-needed boost to the travel industry in New Zealand. The airline is planning to start operating this service this fall and will provide daily flights between Los Angeles and Auckland, New Zealand, and more frequent flights between JFK and London. Scenic Group, a leading tour operator, has unveiled a new collection of shore excursions for its European river cruises. The new excursions include a variety of activities and experiences designed to give travelers an authentic and immersive experience of the places they visit. These shore excursions will take travelers to some of Europe's most iconic destinations, including Paris, Vienna, and Budapest, and offer them a chance to explore the local culture, history, and of course food. The new excursions will also include unique experiences such as private tours of historic castles, wine tastings, and cooking classes. The group has also added more active excursions to the collection, such as cycling and hiking tours, to cater to different types of travelers. The new collection of shore excursions is available for bookings on Scenic Group's European river cruises. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.